We did that, we sang the song, but hapo katikati, tear gas spoiled the party, which is okay. We know what Nairobi is the capital city, and we know what Baba stands for. He stands with the oppressed, and he hates the oppressors. So we were oppressed today, tear gas came, and that is our birthday, and we celebrate. The champagne was tear gas. But above all, we condemn any act of violence against ordinary citizens, innocent citizens. Because the main aim today, as we cut cakes, we were supposed to symbolize the cutting down of taxes, which is a desire of 99% of Kenyans. VAT on fuel inasumbua kila mtu, industries, individuals, everybody. Yeah? VAT on food packaging inasumbua flour, agriculture people, when you transport tea, nini, kila kitu, packaging inawasumbua. VAT on housing is contentious. Nachangia nani? That's all we want to know. If I know nachangia nani, I don't have a problem with the percentage, but so far we don't know. We don't know. It's unclear. The land issue is unclear. Which land are you taking? From who? Are we privatizing public land? Those are the issues. Tukirudi kwa the hospital is not working. The funds are not working. Education is not working. So of what use is an economy? Of what use in an economy? Kama suicide zinapanda. People are killing themselves. Families are breaking down. Of what use is an economy when enterprises are shipping out? People are losing jobs. CEOs are stressed. They don't know who to fire next because how long will you fire? In short, there's no economy. And the issue is the Finance Act 2023, which Baba says we should repeal. And it's a fact everybody supports. This is a non-partisan talk. This is not about Azimio. This is not about Kenya Kwanza. It's a Kenyan issue. It's a Kenyan issue. So, mtu asichukue vibaya. So, there are two things. Shape up or shape out. The only two things. You either run the country or the country runs you. So today we were run by a few protected men. But that is okay. Another day is coming. Thank you. My name is Majimaji.
Okay, mimi nikiongeza na Kiswahili nataka kuambia baba happy birthday at 79 strong, and we pia sisi tuko strong. Hao sio? Sio. Nataka kuambia Ruto, keki ilikuwa tu moja tu peke yake. Na keki moja unaleta maskari 140. Surely Ruto, meta kuambia is like ujui kazi yako. Hii Kenya imefika mali hata tuna serikali. Tuko na mtu anaitwa caretaker. Na hii caretaker unatumia mamlaka vibaya. Na mimi naomba maskari, your work is to protect law and order. Hii mnakuja mnatupiga tear gas kwa keki tu peke yake, keki. Shame on you Ruto. Shame on you Ruto. Na mimi nakwambia kama uwezi fanya kazi, majaji wanalia. Wewe ni nani?